Hey, welcome to Hawks Take Flight, and my name is Jeff.
I'm Candace.
And we are here at the Little River Falls in Alabama, right? It's
Yeah.
in Alabama? Yeah.
It's in northeastern Alabama.
I just drive to wherever her destination is, and that's how we get there. Anyways, here is the parking lot. As you can see, there's not really a lot of space for my rig. So I'm kind of taking up half the parking lot, but luckily there's not a lot of people here. So if you go there, here you can go and take a look at it. I just went down there. It's just 50 feet down that way, and you can see the falls about a mile that way. So in order to really see it good, you gotta drive back this way.
In other words, not at the Little River Falls that overlook, but go over near the visitor center where they have a hiking trail that we can see. So we're just gonna take a look here, probably stop, have something to eat, and then head over.
There's nice little picnic tables for us, so you can sit down with the fam and grab a bite to eat real quick. There is a warning here not to stay longer than 30 minutes, but that's probably for people that plan on staying overnight.
Whoa. Maybe not.
Another week, another day, another hour since you went away, and so cliche you didn't say goodbye. I've been waiting for so long, still debating what went wrong. All by myself, you pulled away, you
So this area appears to be part of the Trail of Tears, and in 1838 U.S. soldiers rounded up over 1,100 men, women, and children in this Little River area during the forced muskogie and the, I'm going to say this probably wrong, Muskogee Creek Indians. Soldiers held some of them at Fort Lycan and Fort Lovell at East Lookout Mountain before moving them to Fort Payne. They crossed Little River near the present-day bridge, and John Bench led the Fort Payne group of American Indians over 798 miles to Indian Territory. The federal government ended up forcing over tens of thousands of American Indians to leave their homes in 4 states, and 1/4 of them died in the harsh conditions along what they now call the Trail of Tears.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of concrete. I'm dancing you. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does.
Ready to go.
No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes
So
your way.
we are now headed down. So we are gonna go walk on the top here of the falls, like with all these other people, with our little ones. Wish us luck. Okay, bear with us. When we went down the regular walkway that's all nice, you know, like with this kind of pattern, will not let us over on top, so we have to go back up real quick. It's not that far of a walk. And then walk down a stone pathway to get so we can walk on top of the waterfall.
So I'm walking on the rails, and I noticed there's a gate here. Why would they put a gate at the beginning of a falls? A cliff, nonetheless.
I know, 'cause If you opened it, that's that.
Yeah. You asked the question because there's a gate on the other side. That's why.
There's a gate on the other
How do you
side.
think the chicken's going to cross the path?
How do you think this chicken's gonna cross the
Cause I know what it's like to be broken. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way.
So we made it here to the top of the falls, and wow, it is absolutely stunning out here. But the top part, if you didn't know there was a fall, you could hear it. But it's just completely flat. In fact, the kids are taking off their socks and shoes and gonna get in the water.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help